What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So I discovered recently this website which is called Rosebud AI, and basically what it claims to be able to do is to create basically games in just one line in plain English. So it offers you this template here where you can just enter the type of game you want to create, and so it builds the game in just one line of English text. So let's go ahead and check it out and see how it works. So create me a tomato racing game. That's pretty much everything I'm gonna say. Just create me a tomato racing game. So let's go ahead. In just that simple line of code, we're going to try to build a game. So we're going to sign up. So all these platforms are always trying to take our emails, but that's not a big deal. So here we see already generating some results. You can see awesome tomato racing sounds delicious. What's the core vibe of the race? So you have arcade, silly, skill based, drift, lines, shortcuts, cooking themed. No, I wanted power ups, chaos. I wanted this arcade style, like this Mario Kart style of game. So let's go ahead and try that. So nice arcade chaos tomato it is. For the game field, do you want the camera more like top-down chaos behind the tomato? Isometric street racer. I want like a third-person view. So I can already find it very interesting that it's asking you some questions, that's already showing you how it's going to refine it. And the questions look just pretty simple questions to ask. So yeah, let's see it, Bill. But definitely I'm not going to be answering 1,000 questions. So it has gone ahead and refined my prompts. Now we can go ahead and create. I equally saw a button where you could iterate a little more on your prompts to make it even more precise. So let's go ahead and see what it's able to generate. All right, so already I can see that I'm already out of credits. I could just create the credits for those few questions, but it's generating the game, and you can see here we are cooking. So let's see how it goes. You can already see the different buttons that are available. You can have access to the assets, you have access to the code, and you can get more credits as well to continue iterating over your game. So let's just see what it's able to generate on this free trial, on these free prompts. Okay, so far it's been 30 minutes and the game is still trying to generate, so it's taking way too long. And so it's not surprising for a game to take so long to generate because all the graphics and all the logic and the physics it has to apply. That's not really surprising, but in the world of AI right now where things are really moving fast, this isn't the most efficient. So in a subsequent video, we might come back and see if it is done generating. But so far, let's keep it at that for this video. So catch you on the next video to see the results. Thanks.